The ROZ extension identifies a Roshal compressed archive file, a variant of the RAR compression format. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you extract or convert these compressed archive files. Here's a tip from my professional experience. For those truly difficult ROZ files, you need a plan B, a secret weapon. I'll expand more on this after we try the other solutions. ROZ files are compressed archives using the Roshal Archive format, a variant or renamed version of the RAR compression algorithm developed by Eugene Roshal. They contain one or more files compressed for efficient storage and distribution with optional password encryption. ROZ archives use the RAR compression algorithm supporting solid archive mode recovery records, multi-volume splitting, and AES 256 encryption. The format provides high compression ratios particularly effective on text and binary data with strong redundancy patterns. Win.rar GmbH defined WinRAR as the application primarily intended for ROZ. For complete access to all file resources, a dedicated program is needed. Windows interprets only simple archive formats, so full handling needs specialized software. Your essential first move is the file association test. Right-click the ROZ file and choose Open With. If WinRAR is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. Don't worry if you need to try a few. If you cannot access the ROZ file, no problem. Every failure has a cause. Here are the common technical reasons why your system is failing to correctly parse the ROZ format. First, extracting files. Install WinRAR or 7-zip and open the ROZ file. If the tools do not recognize the extension, rename it to RAR and retry extraction. WinRAR provides full RAR format support, while 7-zip supports RAR extraction without requiring a license. Next, handling encrypted archives. If the ROZ archive is password protected, enter the correct password when prompted during extraction. WinRAR and 7-zip both support encrypted RAR archive extraction. Without the correct password, the encrypted contents cannot be accessed. Finally, converting to zip. Extract the ROZ archive contents to a temporary directory, then recompress into standard zip format using 7-zip or Windows built-in compression. Zip format ensures universal compatibility across all operating systems without requiring specialized decompression software. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.